Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're in the shave den. It's time for another shave. We're gonna take off the mustache. I really liked the mustache with a goatee, but the wife and other people are saying, hey, you look too old with a mustache. Maybe you should get rid of the mustache. And I do miss the goatee. I absolutely miss the goatee. But I figured I was planning on taking this off, so I'm going to today. And I'm gonna do it with some with a cologne or with an aftershave and with a shave cream that I will consider like barbershop type shaves, inexpensive shaving items that you would have found in the barber shop, or in the drugstore or pharmacy back in the 70s. And I got a request for Chaz, and I'm going to be on, I picked this up, original Chaz, half a bottle, aftershave from eBay. Somebody asked me, hey, can you do a shave with Chaz? And I figured, okay, it's just like a typical, Old Spice or, Skin Bracer. It's got that same scent, but it's reasonably inexpensive and surprising. It's been around since 1975 by Revlon. Back in 75, it was originated by Revlon. I don't know who makes it today, but it is available today. So I'm going to be using that. I'm also going to be using some Barbus shave cream. I'm just going to do a face lather today with the Barbus. So this is relatively inexpensive. It's like a barbershop shave soap. You can find it in Europe and a lot of the barber shops. If you go in to get a shave, and it is available from New Jersey. And I have the link for Barbus in the description of this video. The razor I'm going to be using is going to be Jaws. The Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Double Open Comb Ascension. Look at that, looks like a shark, Jaws. I think they still make this one. I know one of their models they discontinued. I do believe they're still making this one. And this one, if you've never seen this razor, and you can get the different base colors for this. Look at that, double open comb. I'm going to be using that to shave off this mustache today and to give a kind of a clean shave. I'm also going to be using a Ever Ready Restored C40 brush. I restored this a while ago. I'm going to put this in here. It's synthetic. Took out the old badger knot and restored that brush. In fact, there's a good video if you haven't seen it. If you just look on YouTube and say Kensurfs brush restoration, you actually can see me restoring this from it. It was just a piece of junk, and it turned out really nice. A very nice brush that I use quite often. Okay, time to get rid of the Flanders, Magnum PI, or whoever mustache here. So let's get the shave started, and welcome. Subscriptions are always appreciated. All right. All right. Get some Barbus soap here. Put a little Barbus soap into the brush there. Most of it fell out. Need a little more. At least I didn't get in my eye, right? And I had a shave a couple of days ago, so I don't really need a full shave, but if we're getting rid of the mustache, we might as well do that. And I do like the mustache, don't get me wrong, but for your entertainment and for my wife, I will take care of this today. All right. There was another version of this that I had, and I gave it to my friend who just began wet shaving, and I've offered him a lot of razors and, a lot of upgrade. He says, no, I like that double open comb. And what I'm going to do, of course, there's no blade in it. I'm not going to make that goof again. There's the comb and the base. I'm using a once tried Persona blade. So I'm kind of taking my two uses out of a lot of these blades. I'm not throwing them out after one. you know, after demoing a razor or demoing something, soap with you. Let's tighten that up. And there you have that. All right, let's see what we can do. Little feedback. Hear it? Now the real trick. One pass, basically. Man. This could go through a beard and nothing flat. And she's gone. Kensurfs is back. This razor I really, really enjoy. And there's links to PAA in the description of this video too. It looks scary, but it's efficient as hell. I tell you, this is very efficient razor. Didn't get my kitchen pass tonight, so I'm not going to get to go see Wolfman, but coming up. Might not get to see it this weekend, but hopefully next weekend. My wife wanted to watch Wicked the other day. It was streaming, and I haven't watched it yet. That's always an option for tonight. Hanging out with the little woman. Oh. All right. The mailman's here. Actually, my father-in-law's back. He comes over on the weekend. He's just arrived with his dog, and my dog is going crazy. So I might have to let my dog out of the room there. Yeah, you can hear him barking in the background. Father-in-law's a little girl dog. Hang on. I'm going to let that dog out or he's going to start barking. He let himself out. He's pretty good at opening the door with his nose. He just can't turn the, the handle. All right. And a lot of people say, hey, do you cut yourself with this razor? But I'm going to be honest, not really. Now I will, because I just said that. You really should go a little slower than I'm doing, but man, that took it right down. The Barbus soap didn't hurt either. All right. Clean shaven, just like my pop's picture up here. He was always clean shaving. I never saw my dad once with a mustache or a goatee. But some Chaz by request, and this I don't know if this is the original. Kind of hard to tell. See, kind of hard to tell. Don't know if it's the original, but like I said, the soap has the barbershop scent. This has the typical barbershop scent, but it's got a huge opening, so this whole thing would pour out very quickly. Ooh, it's got a nice burn. The aromas are starting to permeate the shave down here. Very good. Back in action, everybody. Well, thank you very much for watching. I'm looking forward to another shave real soon. This was a simple one. The razor No problem taking off a mustache. It would have took off that whole goatee in one pass, a whole beard. Really, if you haven't seen these or tried these, very, very, very efficient razors. All right, till next time, have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon.